Actually arrived. It is now 11:30 Egyptian time. We're in room 4113. I'm going to knock on the door.
Welcome.
And here we are.
Happy days.
That step.
What's the step?
I've just gone. And here we are. Look at this, guys.
This is more like it.
This is more like it. Nice big bed. Settee. Got a television on the wall. And then we've got a mirror, lots of storage space by the looks of things.
Safe and fridge.
Safe and fridge with water and juice in it.
Wardrobe space.
Yeah, lots of wardrobe space. Hangers, plenty of storage anyways. And this is going to be the bathroom.
See the size of the walk-in shower.
So we've got a toilet. And we've got a, hello. We've got a sink. Mirror. Hair dryer. And look at the size of the shower. I need to come further this way to the video. No, it's huge. You could get about 20 folk in there. And I'll show you the pied de resistance outside. And this is our view outside. I'm going to see it better in the daylight, but look at this, guys. We have our own little pool. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. The water park over there, water park. So we're not far from the beach actually, are we?
Nope. We've got a light in our... We've got a light in our wee pool.
We will have somewhere, I bet you. Oh, we'll have to ask. There you have it. Isn't that lovely? Big balcony as well.
Swim right round.
Hmm?
You can swim right round and all.
You can swim right round. So we'll get a better view in the daylight, guys. But hey ho, we're all good so far. Just the airport was a bit of a rush, mad dash, chaos everywhere. But yeah, we're going to call it a night, I think. And we'll see you all in the morning. Nighty night.